check him out. Check him out. You like that?
Get good with Elmo. Get good with Elmo. Get good with Elmo.
Wow, this is
Get
big.
good with Elmo.
David.
That's good. That's good.
Here, open this one, little buddy. Rags it. Here.
That's big.
Come here, Lucy.
Look, that's my niece. Oh, that's good.
Oh.
Here, take it. Do you like it?
Yeah, I love it.
Came with a hat too.
Here, let me help you out. Here, Mama, you want to take the camera for just a second?
Ooh,
Here, I'll sit down right here for you.
Thank you, Mom.
You like that piano?
Yeah, he likes it. Yeah.
Uh-oh, look at that.
He likes his little truck too that makes the sirens. So now he's got all three.
Aw, I wanted this. You have it. Oh, Mom?
Yeah,
Thanks, Mom.
we all do.
What does
Hold
it
it up.
Mom? Wait, hold on.
Hold on, Dave. You got this thing.
First, we'll take a picture like this.
Super duper wired on here.
No. Oh, it's all shiny. Cool down on your face, honey. Maybe you want to smile? Smile, you're not in football.
Here, I'll get the other one out here.
You look mad.
Yeah.
How can you look mad on Christmas Day?
Mom. Well, what's in here?
Uh-oh, you spun the camera out.
Run the camera. Oh my gosh.
No, that's not your Christmas present. Here.